Good morning, saints of the Most High. I hope everybody is having a blessed day. This morning, I'm out and about pretty early. I thought I would mention last night, I was woken up by the sound of a trumpet. I was listening to the book of Daniel, audiobook, and sleeping very soundly. And at about 1:20, because I woke up and looked at when I woke up, I did look at the time. I heard the sound of a trumpet. It was very audible, and it was piercing to my soul, and it actually woke me up out of my sleep. And after I woke up, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't something that I heard on TV. So I rewound the book of Daniel's back and stayed awake to listen to see if it was a trumpet sound on the audio, and it wasn't. So I thought I would mention it to you guys. Keep your heads up. Love your family. Stay close to Jesus. Hopefully we'll fly today. You never know. I thank you all for listening. Have a blessed day. Love you in the Lord. Bye now.